Plan the reason money jack just steady. Setting up the fish or romancing it back to back. Legalize the weed I'm taking. Roll with the mind, drop in the mic. Agony and the pain will face in the life. Sorry they will bad. They go with the fine, change the wardrobe, hang it, they look to bad. It's about to mean they catch your cruise. One bad and the mother which we got to down. They took out the money, they search for love. One bad and soon I get you the keep with gun. Say the time out there was the right. So anybody can delay to go with the fight. Yes, Johnny will fund the die. So get the money down with the positive vibes. Option up on a suicide. Be very careful, mind to go to two side. Okay, family get you where to take go with a bad young but your two side. One mother that you can get us in the van. If I'm making on kind of fun. Post story the body, but the ginger. You play with yeah. Oh my niggas are rocking, don't you young Gabana. Artiman and I could see you, she are bandana. Hey, my niggas are dripping, Fendi and Prada. You need a man, I tabu, grand, not a banana. Oh my niggas are rocking, don't you young Gabana. Artiman and I could see you, she are bandana. Hey, my niggas are dripping, Fendi and Prada. You need a man, I tabu, man, hello guys. What's up guys? All right, so this is one of my live stream videos where I basically do what we do here. We just look at the chart, analyze the chart, see good setup in the market, try and see if we can grab some setups that will make us money, right? So the essence of we coming here is to make money, right? So join me as I embark on another adventure. I had a very long live streaming that was yesterday. You can go ahead to watch the video right there on my channel. Maybe I can quickly walk you guys through it. So this is my channel, right? So if you go to the live section, so look at it right here. It's a 7-hour long video, and in this video, I won't say it's so exciting because it's a boring one. Most traders' lives are boring. It's just basically me sitting down looking at charts. I'm just pretty much been waiting, right? So when we wait, we'll see a good setup with trade. We took a couple of live trade in there. You can watch the video to see how we executed those trade, and yeah, that's it. So we're starting another one this morning. As usual, I'm I'm almost the only guy in my live streaming, but I'm not doing this for cloud chasing. No, I'm not doing this because of what it's going to be. I'm not doing it so that people will be here watching me. Rather, I'm doing it for the fact that I'm doing it because one, it's a way of me journaling my trade, so I can decide to go watch the video again, and I will see how I pretty much the trades that I executed and the setup that I traded on. And another thing that doing this live streaming helps me to do is the whole aim of me creating a community of traders. I know it's early because, as you guys can see already on my channel, I don't have much subscribers, you feel me? So I still have a very small community base here on YouTube, but I believe if I'm consistent and people like my content, eventually we will reach that point where we want to be, right? So yeah, I just want to take out time to do most of the talking right now, because when I start looking at setup in the market, you hardly hear me talk. It will be me and the chat. So basically, this is just a live stream. So if anybody is joining us live, you can help us to keep the room or the stream fun. Use the chat sections, ask questions. I would want to have an interactive section
in as much as I'll be focused on looking at setup. But yeah, once I'm done looking for setup, I'll take out time to answer any questions you guys have. And yeah, this video is more or less for record purpose, because at the time I'm doing this, like as I'm talking to you guys right now, at the time I'm doing this live stream, I'm the only one. I'm the only one on the live stream. Trust me, there is no viewers. At least I know, because YouTube provides this analytics view where you can see number of views and people that are in your chat sections and stuff like that, and pretty much they're all counting zero. So that means I'm the only guy here. But if I'm the only guy here, it means more money for me, I guess. Yeah. So it means basically I'm only trading for myself by myself. So let's go and do this. I believe when you make it and you way profitable, people will eventually want to know what you know, right? People want to know what you know. So yeah, not to waste time. Let's get down to the DM, guys. So yeah, pardon me if I play music or things that you don't like. Well, I'm not sorry about that. Yeah, I don't think I should be sorry for every little thing that I do, especially when I know I did not do anything wrong, you know. But at the same time, we won't waste further time. So we'll just get down to why we're here. So I'm going to close this because this is not part of what we need. So yesterday, I don't know how we came up with this, but we ended up in John 20:29. So this is okay. This is our verse for the week. So what does it say? Then Jesus told him, because you have seen, you have believed. He now went ahead to say, blessed are those who have not seen and yet have believed. So I'll just copy this. That's our mantra this week. We'll just leave it there.
All my niggas are rocking Dolce and Gabbana. Artiman and Akuzi, Oshia Bandana. Hey, my niggas are dripping Fendi and Prada. You need a man like a book, granite and banana. All my niggas are rocking Dolce and Gabbana. Artiman and Akuzi, Oshia Bandana. Hey, my niggas are dripping Fendi and Prada. You need a man like a book, man, Dana.
With over 80 million official songs, you'll never hear the same song twice, unless you want to. Get YouTube Music Premium.
Imagine I came across the lifestyle we live on with the C20s. But the hope and the better work because tomorrow put the future with the brightest. Anytime I put it in the bad, no they put on my senses. Said I promised myself not to go back at the learn my lessons. It's good to be nice, but with the middle feel minimize. It does pass I know with the ass. Now one bad they can produce overnight. In Mamba Manachimu to relax. In Mamba for the book and Bomas. The more what the code, the more the past. And I better book a Bitcoin follow the rise. So far as the life which they get mind, they rejected knocking to my city. Who as a person and the Diego when they stand, yes, I am suicidal. Breaking all the rules and the laws in our land, the reason money just steady. Setting up the fish or romancing it back to back like a light we jump to give. With the mind, drop in the mic, agony and the pain we face in the life. So they go bad, they go with the fine, change the wardrobe, hang it, they look bad. It's about to mean they catch your cruise, one bad and the mother which we got to down. They took out the money, they search for love, one bad and soon I get you with them down. So the time out there was the right, so anybody can delay to go with the fight. Yes, Johnny Buffon Diggity die, so get the money down with the positive vibes. Option up on a suicide, be very careful, mind to go to the side. Okay, family get you where to take go with a bad young with the blue side. One more that you can get is in the value. Leave a mic on, time is funny. Oh, story the body, but the ginger. You play with you. Oh, my niggas are rocking, touch young Gabana. Artimana, I can see you, she a bandana. Say, my niggas are dripping, Fendi and Prada. You need a man, not a book, grand, not a banana. Oh, my niggas are rocking, touch young Gabana. Artimana, I can see you, she a bandana. Say, my niggas are dripping, Fendi and Prada. You need a man, not a book, man, no data.
think there is too much praise on that because I don't know why up till now my order is not yet triggered, and I think due to the fact that we have very large slippage on that, I don't like that. Look at where we are, but for some reason we are not yet triggered. We are way below our entry point at this point. I don't like that. Okay, we're now triggered. I don't like that. That's a lot of slippage for me. But let's see. I'll just add my TP because that's the only thing remaining on this. I'll just add my TP on that. So yeah. Hopefully they don't go down because the slippage I have here is a lot. So there is high chances that little or no movement on the downside will stop us out. It will definitely stop us out. Yeah. Any further move down will stop us out. I think I like it that way. I'm not all about risking anything further. So if they want to maintain the direction on the upside, they should hold this line. If not, I'm not interested further on that. I would have executed this trade also on my funded next, but I'm a bit skeptical around that, so I wouldn't want to expose both portfolio on a particular trade. So I rather just take it one. If it stops me out here, fine and good. That's a lot of slippage. Let me get the slippage of this. Can I see it? It is 1.4. That's a lot. 1.4 pips. So in order to get the exact amount here, I have to drag out 1.4 from the bottom part of this. So this is where my stop loss should be, ideally. Okay, I'll add that just to be conservative. I'll add that just to make sure that I trade it the right way. So I'm moving my stop loss there because of the fact that we have the slippage, right? So if the market decides to come down to here, we expect that we'll still be in the market. So see, now right about now I have to move it a little bit there. I don't like the fact that they created an imbalance right there. Yeah, there is an imbalance they created just right in this space right here. It would be nice if they should close it up, but that's a very bad sign because right now I think they want to use that to push further down. Would have been nice if we do not see any imbalance here. Would have been great. See around this area right there. There is an imbalance they just created there, which is not nice for us. And well, let's see what they want to do with that. We're already in the market, so we can't really do much right about now. We're already in the market, so yeah. The worst case scenario, they will stop us out, and that's it. That's the worst case scenario. But I don't like this morning market price action. I don't like it, to be honest. It seems like I'm trying to force in trades. It seems like that's how I feel, because the setup I'm seeing here, they are not pretty much straightforward and neat. They are not like yesterday's morning. Yesterday morning was quite long but better. At least we pretty much saw some good setup in the market, but what I'm seeing here is very slow. There's no volume in the market, so it's more or less the market is like in a standstill. Yeah, we're already in this. Let's see what they have for us here. The general market price action, or the market structure here, for me it looks bullish in the sense that we came down here, this first leg down, second leg down, so we are waiting for the third leg, and that's why we jumped on it, right? But if we don't see the third leg, then no problem. What do we stand to lose on this particular trade if it's not successful? We'll be down for $4.80. But if we're successful, we'll have like about 9.6 on that. So, but I think they would go down. I think they would go down eventually. If I saw this, I didn't see this fair value. Upon the time I executed this trade, the fair value was not there. They just created it right now. They just created it. But overall, we'll see what the market is going to do. Overall, we'll see what the market is going to do. This is on the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, you can see we are trying to push back, but the main problem is this imbalance that was created here. Immediately I saw that, I was actually praying that they cover it up on the 5 minutes, but they were unable to cover it up. So that's the only stumbling block we are currently facing right now, that is stopping us from kickstarting that move on the upside. So but we'll see what happens. On the 1 minute, there are a couple of imbalances lying below, which might be support for us, but that's the 1 minute. I don't really look at 1 minute. I'm more of a 5 minute time frame guy, because that's the time frame I trade with, right? So that's basically where I look for most of my price action, delivery, and all of that. So this imbalance is going to be a problem. What I can do is maybe I can close the trade if it comes up to a break even point. I could just close the trade and stay off from the market and see what they want to do. But at the same time, I wouldn't want to do that because of the fact that that's not part of the strategy. Though the strategy is to cut losses on time, but at the same time, what if we are wrong? What if they just play below this fair value, then later breaking it on the upside? There is still possibility of that being on the card, because if we should judge, or if we should analyze it from the standpoint of this impulsive move right here, there is still a fair value gap that is a support for the bulls right here, which is slightly bigger than the fair value we have here, which is acting as a resistance for us on pushing up. And I will let me draw out the bigger guy. So this is the bigger guy right there. That's the bigger guy. That's the one I would say is we are currently playing within that range. It would be nice if it's a very nice support for us to go further high, and I think that's what they want to do right now. But it's still early. Remember, this is the 5-minute time frame, and we are just about 3 minutes into the 5-minute. All right, so let's see on the 3-minute and see what's going on right there also. So on the 3-minute time frame, as you guys can see, the imbalance is still there. We are trying to see if we can gain grounds. Okay, we just gained one ground here, which is good. We closed right in that imbalance. We are up. We are the 50% range of that imbalance. Let's see if we are going to push up. If we push up, that would be great. That would be nice. And what I mean push up, I mean like an impulsive push, very quick push that's going to push us out from this imbalance. It would be nice if we close above it. Once we close above it, that would be great. But currently we are still within that range, as you guys can see, so nothing much is happening on that one. But it would be nice to see it close above. If it doesn't close above, I think I'll be breaking even quickly, because of the fact that I don't like the price action anymore. It's very as a matter of fact, I think I'm breaking even on this trade. I'm breaking even on this trade. I can't deal with these guys anymore. I'm copying this price. At the close of this candle, I'm closing the trade. Or maybe not. Maybe not. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. It would be nice to see them break above. Let me see what's going on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we're trying our best. We have an imbalance here also. Let's see if we're going to close above. We have like 12 seconds, 10 seconds, and we are still in that range, which is not good. I want them to close above that range. Above that range, that will be better. Now we're swiping down again. Okay, we're on the current last minute on the 3-minute. I wouldn't want to see top wick. Nah fam. I'm breaking even on these guys. If they decide to go further down, they should stop us out. I'm not interested anymore. I'm not interested anymore. Yeah, if they decide to stop us out, fine. I can't deal with that. I don't like the price action. this imbalance here is pretty much messing up our game. Would be nice if we push above it, but that's not happening for us. So I'll just play it safe. I don't like the price action this morning, so that's why I'm also playing it safe. If the price action was more favorable, most likely I would leave it open. But yeah, I just closed the trade, guys. I just did. I can't deal with that anymore. They might decide to go up, but I'm not interested anymore. And I won't feel bad about it. Trust me. I don't like the price action. It's too slow, and I think I'm going to close the live stream because I'm not seeing much volume. We spent about an hour here, going to 2 hours, but that's one of the things. In this game, it's a hunter game, right? So you just have to be on the stealth mode, keep on observing the market, looking out for the setup you want, and when you see the setup, you just jump on it, right? So that's what's up. Well, this trade might still play out, but I left. I left it alone because of the fact that I don't like the price action. It's too slow. It's not giving me that which I want. Considering the fact that the guy that pushed us up, or the guy that gave us the momentum to break out of this previous high that made us to jump on it, you know, pretty much it's a very nice engulfing candle. As you guys can see, there is no top or bottom wick. It was just pushing right above, right? But for some reason now in this area we're experiencing some level of resistance, going further up. So with that in mind, and considering the fact that generally I don't like the price action this morning, I just decided to break even on that trade. And all this thing happened on the live stream. You guys could see it yourself. If I should go to the closed trades, I believe you'll see it right there. So that's it there. I broke even on that. Yeah, as you guys can see, we didn't make much money on that. We just took a couple of cents that was made available at the time we closed the trade. So yeah, to be honest, this is my plan was to buy and hold, and my TP was to sell at the top here, at this top right there. But like I said, that did I won't say that didn't play out because the market is still running, but I just don't like the market conditions, so I broke even on that one. But I do still think that the market is going to go up, considering the fact that you know with this engulfing bullish candle right there. Yeah, with that guy right there is pretty much nice sign or part of what the bulls will be looking at to take this trade right there. So, but let's see. I think I would prefer to watch what the market is going to do from the outside rather than participating on the inside. So yeah, that's that, guys. And yeah, I don't have much again. Like I said, the market is holding on strong. It's holding on strong so far. You dig? It's on the 3 minute. Let me go on the 5 minute. Well, the 5 minutes, not seeing any sign of the market giving up, at least yet, on the 5 minute. You dig? But who cares, man? I do care though. But I'm not gonna feel bad making that decision. Okay, I think the market is breaking out. It's looking a bit interesting, but not so much interesting on Euro USD. Let me see what the 15 minutes is saying. Okay. Okay, this is a very nice breakout right there, but it's a very small one, a very tiny one, but it's still a breakout. Let's see what's going on the 5. That's a very tiny one, a very tiny one. I'll wait for for the London Open. I'm not going to look for further trade right now. So I'll be closing the live stream, but I will see you guys. I will see you guys during the London session, right? So for now, I gotta go. Uh, but while I'm going to go, or while I'm going to leave you guys for a minute, this was the trade I wanted to take on AUD USD, but I broke even on it because of the fact that we have this imbalance right here, and looking at the lower time frame, uh, I felt like considering the fact that from the price action there is not much volume. As you guys can see, the market is just moving very slow, so that's part of the reason why I broke even on this particular trade. But with that said, I do still think they might go to our direction, but I just had to break even because what I was looking for, or the volume that I am looking for, was not made available in the market. Although the market can gradually still go there, but I don't have time and money on for that. You get, so I rather keep it safe and wait for a much more good market conditions to execute the type of trades that I want to execute. Alright, with that said, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will still happen today, but for now this is 2 hour stream of the Asian section, so nothing much really happened. So in order to sit down here and be forcing in trade, I'd rather just stay and observe from the outside. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.